Hey guys, how's everybody? Welcome back. I am going to crochet this sun hat for a Barbie doll. Size 11.5 inches tall dolls until 12 inches tall constellation dolls. Okay, I'm going to use a baby sports weight yarn. The color is a baby pink. You can use any color that you prefer. This is a number 3 yarn. And also for the hook, I will be using B 2.25mm crochet hook and a scissor to cut the yarn. Okay, to begin, let's make a magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2, and remove the ring. Then into the ring, we are going to make 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. This is counted as first double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I have 10 double crochet including the beginning chain 3. So now we are going to close the ring. We have 2 strands here. One is in the outside, as you can see. That is the outside, and the one from the inside, that's the one that we are going to pull halfway from left to the right. Okay, the inside strand, pull it halfway like that, and then this tail, we are going to pull this tail, pull it nice and tight. Now the ring is secured, and we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. So this is the beginning chain 3 here on top. 1, 2, 3. Join it with slip stitch. Okay, and this tail, you can crochet this along as you go, or you can just leave it there and come back later. But I'm going to crochet this along as I go, so I put it there in between the yarn and the hook. Insert it there and make a chain 3 for the round 2, and into the same space we're going to make 1 double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Now make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, and we are going to continue making 2 double crochet into each stitches around. So go ahead guys and make 2 double crochet into each stitches around. Just repeat this pattern around, and I will meet you for the joining. Okay, I finished my round guys, and I have the total of 20 double crochet around. Now for the joining, we're going to join it like before. Join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Okay, and for the round 3, make a chain 3, and into the next stitch make 2 double crochet. And into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next. Alright, go ahead and finish your round. Make 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next. Finish your round guys, and I will meet you for the joining. Alright guys, I finished my round 3, and I have the total of 30 double crochet around. Now let's join it like before. Slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And for the round 4, make a chain 3. And we are going to continue working 1 double crochet into each stitches around with a total of 30 double crochet. Okay, so go ahead guys and finish your 1 double crochet around, and then I will meet you for the joining. Alright, I finished my round guys, and now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And for the round 5, make a chain 1 and make single crochet into the same stitch as joining. And we are going to work 1 single crochet into each stitches around. Go ahead and make 1 single crochet into each of the stitches around with a total of 30 single crochet, and then I will meet you for the joining. Alright guys, I finished my round and I joined it with slip stitch into the beginning single. Now for the next round, we are going to make a chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and into the same stitch using the front loop only, we are going to make 1 double crochet. Okay, now we have 2 double crochet into the same stitch and make 1 double crochet into the next front loop, 2 double crochet into the next front loop, one double crochet into the next front loop, 2 double crochet into the next front loop, now go ahead guys and continue your round using the front loops only of each stitches around. We are going to make 1 double crochet into the next front loop, 2 double crochet into the next front loop, 1 double crochet into the next front loop, and then 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Repeat this pattern around guys, and I will meet you for the joining. Alright guys, I finished my round, and I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 45. I have 45 double crochet around. Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Then make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Then make a chain 3 and single crochet into the next stitch. Then chain 3, single crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, single crochet into the next, chain 3, single crochet into the next, chain 3, single crochet into the next stitch, chain 3 and single crochet into the next stitch, and go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Make a chain 3, single crochet into the next, chain 3, single crochet into the next. Finish your round guys, and I will meet you for the joining. Alright, I finished my round. My last stitch is chain 3, and I join it with slip stitch into the beginning single in the beginning of the round. And don't forget to wave the tail of your yarns. And this is how the looks of the hat, and the inside looks like this. Let's try on the Barbie. Okay, this is how it looks like on the Barbie. Don't forget to wave the tail. Okay, so very easy guys. If you are beginners, this is perfect for you. Alright, we finished another project. Thank you so much guys for joining me today, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, and also please like and share my videos if you think that this is helpful for you. And yeah, thank you so much guys. See you again for my next tutorial.